parade bears a unique distinction of history and honor. In May 2025, the Indian Air Force etched a defining chapter in its legacy, Operation Sindoor. The operation validated the Indian Air Force's rapid deployment capability. What emerged was not just a military success, but a message. India will not tolerate terror, and when it acts with clarity and precision. Indian Air Force is one of the oldest, largest, and professionally acclaimed air forces in the world. With a wide range of weapon platforms, systems, and proficient air warriors, it has earned respect of friends and adversaries alike. The Indian Air Force has been striving towards modernization of its weapon systems and training to keep pace with ever-evolving geopolitical scenarios. The Chief of Air Staff is about to arrive in the vintage 1960s era Fort full-size saloon, a luxury version of the Galaxy Series edition, a proud symbol of our defense heritage and tradition. The vehicle was inducted in the Indian Air Force on 30th July 1969. The arrival of Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh, Chief of Air Staff,
Lift your eyes to witness a soaring symbol of India's resolve, the Mi-17 helicopters in Dwaj formation, trooping the national flag, Indian Air Force flag, and the Operation Sindoor flag. Reviewing officer, accompanied by the parade commander, is now proceeding to inspect the parade. On this solemn occasion of the 93rd Air Force Day, Chief of the Air Staff has issued a special order of the day, and I quote, "As we commemorate this day, we pay tribute to the valor, dedication, and the unwavering spirit of the Indian Air Force in safeguarding our nation's skies. The world is witnessing a significant geopolitical shift, and recent conflicts have clearly underscored the decisive role of air power in achieving national objectives. Through Operation Sindoor, we reaffirmed the primacy of air power in shaping military outcomes." Number 1 Squadron, commanded by Wing Commander Gaurav Paliwal.
reviewing officer, accompanied by the parade commander, is now proceeding to inspect the parade. On the solemn occasion of the Air Force Day, Chief of Air Staff,
The Nishan Toli, led by Flying Officer Meher Thakur. Number 3 Squadron commanded by Wing Commander Suraj MP. Number 4 Squadron commanded by Wing Commander Rahul Jha. Indian Air Force's bold and precise attacks restored the rightful place of offensive air action in the national consciousness. Beyond its combat role, the Indian Air Force has consistently demonstrated its commitment to HADR operations. As we celebrate our triumphs, we must remain prepared for the future. My wife Sarita joins me in extending our sincere appreciation to the Sanganis and families of our personnel. On this special day, let us rededicate ourselves to the service of our great nation and strive to take the Indian Air Force to even greater heights. Unquote.
परेड को फौरन की कॉलम में हल्के को करने की आगे से दीवार
परेड अब आपके सामने से साउंड बैरियर एवं वायु शक्ति की जोशीली धुन पर मार्च करते हुए गुजरेगी। यह धुन विंग कमांडर पीके जेना एवं मास्टर वारंट ऑफिसर जे.ए. जॉर्ज द्वारा निर्मित की गई है।
You will now witness the vibrant parade marching in columns in front of the dais, presenting a salute to the reviewing officer.
When the President's colors march past in front of you, we request all of you to rise in its honor. Uniformed personnel shall salute.
जब निशान टोली आपके सामने से गुजरे तो आप उसके सम्मान में खड़े हो जाएं।
आज है एयरफोर्स डे, पूरे देश के लिए गौरवान्वित करने वाला दिन, क्योंकि भारतीय
कौस्तुभ नलावड़े,
Air Vice Marshal Joseph Suarez, Air Vice Marshal Prajwal Singh, Air Commodore Shashi Kant, Air Commodore Sagar Singh Rawat, Air Commodore Dharmender Singh Handa,
और इस वर्ष ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में मात्र 4 दिनों में शत्रु पर विजय। भारतीय वायुसेना ने हर मुकाम पर सामर्थ्य और वीरता का उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करते हुए तिरंगे की आन और शान की हिफाजत की है। जहां हमारे पराक्रम ने सीमाओं को सुरक्षित रखा है और दुश्मन को उनकी जगह दिखाई है, वहीं हमारे हौसले और कौशल ने हर जरूरत पर हमारे नागरिकों का साथ देकर उनका विश्वास बढ़ाया है। हम न केवल आसमानों के रक्षक हैं, बल्कि राष्ट्र के अरमानों के संरक्षक भी हैं। इस शक्तिशाली, कुशल और प्रभावी सेना और इसके हर वायु योद्धा पर मुझे अत्यंत गर्व है। The world today is witnessing a global gravitation towards empowerment of air power as preferred and first instrument of statecraft beyond traditional diplomacy. As our nation navigates through the turbulent regional and global landscapes, it will increasingly depend on the IAF to provide effective response to emerging threats. It is our sacred
Tiger Moth is a vintage biplane that carries with it the legacy of early aviation in India. Inducted into services in 1930, Tiger Moth has served as a basic trainer for countless budding pilots. Today, it stands